popular topic, financial accounting versus management accounting. Let's go over this picture first. So summarized for the year at the year end, but this is on a weekly or daily basis, management accounting. This has a set format, financial accounting, like sales, less cost of goods sold and all, less expenses. It doesn't have any set format in management accounting. Income statements and financial position are annual report. This is called management report, which could be weekly, monthly. External stakeholders are the users, like outsiders, like government and even the customers and the HMRs and all. Internal stakeholders are the users of your management, like owner, managers, directors and all. What is the purpose? Assess the financial performance. How do they performing? Do they have enough assets, money, good enough money, cash capital, or profitable or liquid money or not? How about here? Assisting decision making, like you're planning and controlling budgeting. You have done a budget. You're doing internal accounting, you are doing limiting factor analysis, break-even point, margin of safety. All these are management account. Also financial accounting, there are some IS you need to follow, and it needs to be, if it's a public limited company, PLC, it needs to be published on national newspaper, or at least two places, like website or newspaper or website, CTM, Financial Express, you need to, and nothing as such, you don't need to publish over there. And there is a set time, there's a timing, you need to publish your statements on that time. If you cross the deadline, there could be a fine. There is nothing as such in management accounting. What are the examples? Like income statement, balance sheet, financial position, cash flow statement, statement of changes in equity. These are your financial accounting. What are the examples here? Absorption costing, marginal costing, you have done already. Cash budget, master budget, we have done in AS. Variance analysis, and so on.